Hey guys, Kyle here from VIP Auto Accessories, and today we're going to be going over the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. We tend to dislike chrome around here, so we went ahead and deleted every single bit of it. And we're going to start at the front here. You're going to see the nameplate Wagoneer is completely blacked out in gloss black. Really stands out on the silver paint, and we're going to follow that up with the grille and the lower grille in gloss black as well. And on the fender here, we went ahead and painted all that gloss black with the smoked side markers. We went ahead and did a full blackout on the wheels as well. Completely gloss black lug nuts, powder coated the wheels. And if you notice in the back there's some gloss black painted calipers as well. And now on the side of the vehicle here, we've got the Wagoneer nameplate in gloss black. We've got the steps painted in gloss black. And we've got the lower trim that goes all the way around the vehicle. And we went ahead and added some paint protection film in that high impact area. That paint protection film goes all the way around the vehicle. Next thing you'll notice on this side of the vehicle on every window is this trim. Normally it comes in chrome. We went ahead and blacked that out with gloss black paint as well. And the roof rails are normally silver. We painted those gloss black. Looks really nice. If you come around to the rear of the vehicle, we have another Wagoneer nameplate. Went ahead and painted that one gloss black and followed that up with the trim as well that goes around the lights and the lower trim I talked about before, and the badges, all gloss black. You'll come around this way. You'll notice every window has a 35% tint. Not only protects you from the sunlight, but it looks great too. And that about wraps it up, guys. If you liked what you saw here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want one for yourself, be sure to check out VIPAutoAccessories.com to see more packages and get a quote on yours today.